Hello everyone, this is an American English Academy video. Remember, I'm your teacher Kenneth Varela, and today we're going to be looking at questions with the verb be. Remember that you could always find us at our different social media, like our webpage, YouTube channel, and also Facebook. So one thing that we have to know is that we have two different kinds of questions. We have yes and no questions and information questions. In other words, they are also called close-ended questions for the yes and no questions and open-ended questions. So you're going to find them in these two ways. We're going to start with yes or no questions. Now, if there is a verb be in your question, you have to start your question with that verb. As you can see here, we have am, are, is. Okay, that is our verb. And the next word for this question is the subject. In this case, we have the word I, you, and we also have the word that, in this case, substituting a noun. Okay, and then the rest of the sentence, which is also called a complement. In this case, I only have one word, but it could be longer than that. And now we have the WH words question. Now, in order to put it clear, we have yes and no questions, which are also called close-ended questions, and we have open-ended questions, which are called WH words questions. And we're going to compare them both. As you can see, the first question says, are you reading? This requires an answer. It is a question, it requires an answer, and the answer has to be positive or negative. We only have those two options. Yes, I am, or no, I am not. And then we want to ask another question. And this is going to be an information question or an open-ended question that includes a WH word. And this WH word is going to come at the beginning of the sentence. What are you reading? A new novel. So as you can see, the difference between these two kinds of question is just one word. From there, it's pretty much the same. First, we start with the WH word, then the verb, and then the subject. And what is left is just the complement of the sentence. All right, so to wrap up things, we're going to say that the first word of an information question or open-ended question is the WH word. Then we have the verb be, and then we have the subject. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again in another American English Academy video. See you next time.